Hello everyone, this is Mithil Nanda, director here at DNA Growth. And today we are going to talk about a company that was founded out of pure necessity. Necessity for providing the best for your children. Mama Earth. Now this brand, I'm sure all new parents, second time parents of a young child would probably know, would probably have seen or used some of the products that this company is making. Now, how was the company made? What exactly Mama Earth stands for? Now, this was founded by a husband-wife duo back in 2016, Mr. Varun Alag and Mrs. Ghazal Alag. Now, as new parents, they found that most of the products that they were using for their newborn son contained harmful chemicals, contained some sort of artificial chemicals which were not really good for a sensitive skin such as a baby's. Now, what was the market gap that they identified? They had to import products for their baby, especially from the US. Obviously, that comes at a very high cost. What they found was they could easily procure all the materials that were required and manufacture those products natural, chemical free, environmental friendly, all here right in India. That's how Mama Earth was found. They identified a gap for all natural baby care products. They, believe you me, are targeting 1,000 crores in revenue by 2023. They started with a product range of 6 products, which has now expanded to over 100 SKUs in, let's say, a period of 4 years. They have seen tremendous growth, especially in the lockdown period. They claim to be, although we cannot verify, but they claim to be one of the first companies to start their operations on a very massive scale right after the lockdown ended. Now, let us try and understand what made them a success. Now, they are marketing through online retail on Flipkart, on Amazon, on all major e-commerce websites. They are in retail stores, standalone stores. But till date, the biggest source of sales, the biggest source of revenue is derived from their own website. Now, this D2C selling is a very successful model just because of the brand Mama Earth that has been created. Now, what do you learn out of it? Number one, you are not always reliant on giants like e-commerce sites like Amazon, Flipkart. Your brand, if is created with such a value, it will sell. You do not need e-commerce sites. Your brand value on a D2C selling model is paramount. If you are a consumer focused product, you must focus on creating that brand value. The second thing that you need to identify is they identified a market gap much ahead of its competitors. The need to provide the best of skincare products, the best of health products for your children, for your babies, is what every parent would aspire to do. Obviously, I would not want harmful chemicals touching the skin of my newborn son. So, identifying the market gap is what Mama Earth was all about. The third point, they identified what the customer really needs. Expanding into different SKUs, different products, investing in R&D, creating those SKUs, creating those new products every day. In the lockdown period, they focused on creating new products. Innovation is always the key for growth for any company. If you have that sort of drive, you must focus on reinvention, coming up with new products, or getting new products to new markets. If you have any other ideas, if you have any other companies you would like us to discuss, please leave a comment in the comment section below. Please do like the video, subscribe to our channel. I thank you all.